Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing the board and environment so communication can start immediately. Choose a board the user can reach without strain, then position it at a comfortable height and about a 20 to 30 degree angle. Once done, make sure lighting avoids glare and remove distractions in the area. Invite the user to touch or point and gently model one or two initial selections to show how to indicate choices. This gets the interaction moving and reduces anxiety. Now focus on guiding selections and expanding usable vocabulary through short, intentional steps. Model a selection first, pause, and encourage the user to imitate. This shows how to indicate choices without pressure. Use single-word or two-word options to form meaningful messages and gradually combine them as confidence grows. Also, label each selection aloud and confirm meaning so the user connects symbol, sound, and intent. Repeat successful attempts and fade prompts as the user becomes independent. Finish by confirming messages and setting a routine to practice, which builds reliability. Repeat the user's selection aloud, validate the intent, and expand the response when appropriate. This reassures and teaches nuance. Set short daily practice sessions to maintain skills and integrate the board into real situations like meals or leisure. If selections are inaccurate, troubleshoot by simplifying the layout, increasing spacing, adjusting angle, or checking for motor or sensory barriers before changing content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.